In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly migrate data from one QuickBooks account to another. Whether you're upgrading your account or simply consolidating your data, this step-by-step guide will ensure a smooth transition. Let's dive in so you can get back to managing your finances efficiently. First off, you'll need to log in to your current QuickBooks online account. This is your starting point, where all the data you need to migrate resides. Once you're logged in, look towards the upper right corner of your dashboard for the familiar gear icon, which opens up a range of settings options. Go ahead and click on this gear icon to access more features. After accessing the settings menu, you'll want to find the option that says Export Data. This is the step where you'll begin pulling your existing data out of QuickBooks. Now head over to the section labeled Lists. Here, you'll select the data types you want to export, specifically focusing on your customers, vendors, and the products or services offered. Once you've made those selections, the next move is to click Export to Excel. You'll then be prompted to confirm your decision, so click OK. With your data now neatly packaged in Excel files, it's time to turn attention to the new QuickBooks Online account, the destination for your migrated data. Launch a new browser tab and log in to this new account. The process in this account mirrors the previous steps. Click on the gear icon once more, but this time, look for the option labeled Import Data. As you begin the import process, you'll select the type of list you're transferring, whether customers, vendors, or services. You'll see a prompt to upload a file from your device. Click on Browse. Locate the Excel file you saved earlier, and then hit Next to proceed. At this stage, QuickBooks will guide you through configuring the mapping of columns from your Excel file to ensure that every bit of information lands in its proper place within the new account. Once you have configured the mapping correctly, click Next again. The final step in your migration journey is to click Import. This action tells QuickBooks to bring in all the data from your Excel file into your new account. Wait a few moments as QuickBooks processes the data. And there you have it. Your data has successfully migrated to the new QuickBooks account. This comprehensive guide ensures that you're equipped to handle it seamlessly, setting you up for success with your financial management. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Have a fantastic day managing your new setup on QuickBooks.